Welcome to Turbo Susan. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn about how to calculate running sum, also known as cumulative sum, using analytical function. So before going forward, I request to viewer to please subscribe this channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. Now let's get a start and learn how to calculate running sum using analytical function. In Snowflake, you can calculate running sum, also known as cumulative sum, using sum window function. Sum window function allow you to calculate cumulative sum of column over a specific range of row. So let's understand by example. Here I am creating sales table for demonstration with sales ID, sales date, category and amount with these data type. Okay, integer, sales date, category string and amount in decimal. Okay, so control enter to execute. Here sales table created. Let's insert sample data into sales table. Here is 20 record inserted into sales table. I will put all these coded in description box. You can copy from there and do practice as we do now. Okay, to learn, understand better. Here is, you can validate here, select a star from cell date and you can see here 20 record inserted into sales table. Okay, now let's understand some analytical function. In this statement, we are selecting sales date, sales ID, sales date, category, amount from sale table, and we apply here analytical function sum of amount over and do not specify any order by clause. So it's calculate total sum of amount for each row, okay, or each record, and put this total sales of amount in each row alongside it. So if I execute this statement, and you can see here better, this total sum of amount calculate total amount and put in each row alongside it. Okay, you can see here total amount put in each row, and this is the total sum of amount. You can see here total sum is 2385, and here you can see here 2385. Now let's move to another statement, and we now are going to calculate running sum. Here I am selecting sales ID, sales date, category and amount, and we apply here sum of amount over order by sales ID. This is the primary key. If you want to calculate running sum, it's usually calculate on primary key. So if I execute this statement, you can see here this is the running sum for sales ID 1 100, sales ID 2 sum of this 1 250, sales ID 3 sum of all three records 450, sum of all these three record. If you want to calculate, see here sales ID 4, and this is the sum of amount of all these four, means 500, and you can see here alongside it. Okay, and for all record you can see here 2385. So this is the running sum using analytical function. This statement and this statement is same because row between unbound preceding and current row take by default. So if I execute this statement, you can see here same result. Okay, for running total. Okay, now if you want to calculate running sum of amount order by sales date, we can specify here order by sales date, and this is the also unique value, so it is same as sales ID. Okay, you can see here sum of on 1st January 100, on 1st and 2nd Jan sum of these two, so 250, on 3rd sum of these three as shown. Okay, and if you want to use here partition by clause, for example we want to use here partition by category, so we can also use here partition by in analytical function. So it's calculate based on category. So if I execute this statement, and you can see here on clothing, you can see here sum of first, there is nothing record on preceding, so 50, then sum of this 125, sum of this 185, sum of this 285. Okay, so current row and unbound preceding, okay, from first row. So this is the sum of row for category clothing, and if you go here electronic, then you can see here, so it's calculate sum of row running sum for all category. Okay, here is 100, then sum of this is 250 for electronic, sum of this for order id 3 and category electronic and 250. Okay, and so on. Okay, so that's all about in this video. We learn in this video how to calculate running sum using analytical function and with window close. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.